Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this black and white overlay on CapCut PC. Select this background and adjust it. I'm also going to freeze frame it here, and I'm going to also freeze frame this black background. I'm going to rotate that as well. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, go to mask, and I'm going to select the horizontal one, and I'm going to rotate it this way. Then I'm going to feather it out quite a lot. You can like place it a little bit up more or not, it's up to you. And this is what people basically use for like overlays on top of like some of these video edits. You go to blend mode, overlay, and you basically adjust the opacity. And like on the video itself, like you kind of adjust them to make it a little bit darker and like sharper, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.